How much was it?
35.
What's that?
35. That's not a bad
So as you
deal.
can see, we've got round number 5 of the Fri
you a
Grinder.
loyalist?
Both these players are 2-2 right now. So wins one of these players, puts them in the World Championship tomorrow.
I played the game before.
The other means they're either going to have to make the last grinder,
Scorpion clan.
or they're just going to have to do something else entirely for the weekend.
Yes. And unfortunately, my first deck was Crane.
Christopher on the left-hand side is playing Scorpion, as you can see by his on counter. Frank, I wasn't able to quite catch what Frank was playing.
That's where I went.
I'm sure we'll find out soon enough.
Been there ever since.
Yep. Why did I do that? I don't know. How about this? That works better.
May the gold flow free.
Good luck to you, sir.
Ready to start here.
Players, the second grinder of the day. Your
Lawerance
pairs are up.
both good
Please take your
sportsmanship from both
seats.
players.
As soon as they're done, we will be starting all 3 rounds simultaneously.
I guess I'm first, right?
I think you're going. We gotta wait a second.
Okay.
We're starting the other grinder. How's that work?
They did it yesterday too.
It seems so counterproductive to them making money, right?
Yeah.
And really.
If I fail, I would have joined that grinder.
And me as well.
So. And I'm like, yeah.
Both players just waiting for the signal from the TO to start.
Yeah.
At that point.
Yes.
After this round, we'll be able to get the names of all the players who qualified for grinder number 3. We'll also give you an update on the model as well.
2 honor decks right before.
Just let you know, in case you haven't been keeping track, Mark Armitage moved to 3-0. He defeated Lawerance.
If I win that,
Mark was able to use Rafikani Mar to take all 4 of Mel's provinces in one turn. Mel is on Breeder, which is a very interesting deck for the format. I hadn't personally played Celestial Edition, just to see a deck that could knock out that many personalities that quickly was frightening.
I don't know if I want to do it. I'd rather walk around.
Okay.
Spend 2 days grinding. It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be.
Okay.
You know. Do you want him to sign you up?
I don't have generics.
No. I'll give you my ticket.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I just don't want to go through this again. You want to get?
Attention on the law players. If you are in the second qualifier, table 1 is in fact table 7.
Still just waiting for the signal here.
They said they're going to start them all simultaneously. Yeah, that way you get the chance, you know. You want.
Well, I mean, we could like put it up there and be like, all right, well, whoever loses gets to go in the grinder.
No. Like I said,
you're done.
If it's meant to be, if it's not meant that I can play, it's not meant to be.
My deck's getting better. It's a lot better than it was.
Are you dishonored?
No.
Or military? Oh, God bless you. A man after my own heart.
I'm just like,
Mine.
Yeah. Hey guys, can I just ask, when you do order changes, just announce them nice and clear. You might have picking up great, so players can hear you clear as day.
Beautiful.
Great to hear you guys being so friendly.
Yeah, absolutely. Just let us know when we can start. Hey,
You got a first round bye.
You got a first round bye?
All right, great.
No, whoever's ticket it was.
Mine.
Yeah. Are you going
You signed it up under his name though, right?
No, I didn't know that was supposed to.
Oh, yeah.
Signed up. Sorry. You have your ticket?
Yeah, switch it.
They already put it in the computer, right?
No, they can switch it.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, I'll go.
Sorry, didn't hear that part. Just making sure the loser of their match is going to be able to
Attention of the law players. For all 3 current tournaments, you may begin.
We've just got the go signal from the TO. So players just want them back over, so I'll be back on in the next phase.
Absolutely. Not a problem at all.
And a first round bye. Frank is playing crab.
And I'll still play because I want to improve my deck, right?
Absolutely.
And so what I'll probably do is like I don't know if there's any prizes or anything, but if there's not prizes,
There's no prize.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit down with the guy, I'm going to play him right to the end, play him to the edge, and then at the end I'm going to be like, I can see it to you. Right? And he's going to be like, what? I said, I'm already qualified. I ended up in there.
There you go.
Just in case I didn't know. Good deal. Right. And make a
Now
bunch
we'll
of bunch of people's days.
Right?
Right. If I win. If I lose, then I got to try to get them.
Are they now?
I don't know. It looks dark. Okay, great.
So Frank's going to take us underway here.
We did.
A couple
These
of
two guys are going to get cycled away if that's not a problem.
Absolutely.
Apologies for the glare. There's nothing we can do about that right now. He's got 2 holdings this time. Going to be able to get another one next round, leaving the pass 3 there as well.
Oh, this is some Kensai.
A little bit.
Oh,
A little bit.
we get to fight.
Gave you guys the wrong match slip, so you guys are not tardy because you've been playing all this time.
So you see Christmas using sleigh pits there
We will
as a 2
about
for
we do
3
this?
Scorpion
do 2.
going second.
And 2.
Seems good.
Problem strength is +1.
Ooh, okay.
Yep, 2 for 2, hasty defenses.
Do not go first, which is very good. Yeah, seems
Draw
good.
first.
So
Gold
now
class C,
provinces
get
is
plus 1
9.
point strength.
Make you
It's-
work for it.
It's a bit weird he decided to leave the sleigh pits there.
Thank you, sir.
Well, and go for the 2 for 3 rather than 2 for 2.
This is very unfortunate.
This is quite a bad time for Frank. Only able to buy 1 holding and a personality, where he'd much rather just be sinking here. Yeah, he should just get rid of a card here, go get Forgotten Legacy,
You got
and just take the wash with the other holding as well.
Oh, you can't? Oh, I see your problem.
I can buy it, but then I just have it sitting in there.
I see your problem.
Yeah.
It's either a guy, I got you.
The way Frank's considering this, he may not even have Forgotten Legacy to go grab. What's he thinking about? You've got to imagine if he's got Forgotten Legacy, he's going to buy it here. Just spools too far behind if he doesn't.
Did they get Masterwork tokens when they came into play?
Huh?
You get Masterwork tokens when they came into play?
Yeah.
Don't forget those.
Chris just wanted Frank with his triggers there.
Acting up again.
Try to go this one. Nowhere near as bad as you think.
Wow, that was a really bad turn there
And
for
your
Frank.
maximum hand size is -1 too, by the way.
Yep.
Frank,
Okay, so we're both kind of hurting on goal.
yeah, it's not,
Yes, we are.
not good for Christopher. You have to wonder if both players should have just decided to start with the other personality just to go a little deeper here.
We'll do 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring him into play. Reclaim him.
Yep.
Go to 2. Hasty defense. We'll get that. And get rid of him. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're.
Chris Matter, it looks like Siege is dropping sometime later this month. Just check it, it says estimated August 2015, so
I'm gonna.
Thank you for getting
I
that.
should imagine it'll be
that.
longer than
Mm-hmm.
2 or 3 weeks. Back to the match here. It's a lot better turn here for Frank.
Bye bye.
He's playing.
Look and see where my Forgotten Legacy is. This is what I'm removing?
Yep.
The album have got legacy, but not buying it last time was quite strange. I mean, the personality is not going to do anything on turn 2. Why not just take the chance, just go grab the holding, buy another holding, and just make the most of that time rather than just having the personality go. It's just not going to be doing anything sat in play. Another exciting turn here for Chris. Can only buy that geisha out as his holdings, unless he in turn goes to get for legacy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. 8, 10, 5.
See Christopher's personality base is very aggressive. Yogo Gorobei there, far right hand side. Left hand side, you've got the 2-2 tactician from Thunderous Neglect.
Alright. 4. By him, proclaim him. We will go 2 by Geisha House, and 5 will by him.
Oh, yeah, fine.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right on.
Sorry, the Scorpion personality wasn't able to get a hold of immediately. It was Shazur KO, 4 gold, 2 force, 2 G. Battle for a melee 2 or a melee 3 if the target's dishonorable. Frank using his time to drop a big attachment there. You could have wondered if he'd be better served just by going through to Dynasty, buying the gold and making one of the personalities. Taking the time to make the attachment by holding. It looks like Christopher's spade hand is quite attachment heavy here. He's got at least, it looks like 3 weapons there. I know people are not the biggest fans of weapons in this format.
We will. Three, 4, 5. Put Tiger Claw.
Yeah.
Tiger Claw, Dusty Force, bow it for a melee 3.
What we got there? 4, 5. We will. Isn't even Demolisher. You can't use its ability.
That's fine. Don't use the Moeller.
Moeller's,
I would go with declare an attack.
All right.
he's pretty thin on
All three
abilities.
of these guys are going to go here.
He will defend.
All right.
I will pass my engage.
I will pass my engage.
First thing, rewards of experience. Bow his unit, and it won't unbow as long as he's at the battlefield and unbound.
Correct.
Frank able to bow Christopher's most problematic person there, because if Christopher was able to get rid of the Demolisher, could bow the person
Give him minus 5 force.
He won't be able to do anything there. Overwhelming offense there.
Standing fast. This unit is 16 gold. Bow both.
And the 2 for 1 there for Frank. So Frank's unit is not a great deal of force. So if Christopher wanted, he might be able to go for neutral destruction.
Melee 2.
Melee 2 here.
Wow. We'll just melee 2.
That's enough. After the overwhelming offense.
All right.
Yeah. Frank was able to use Demolisher there for the melee 5.
I will.
But I mean, if he'd gone for the melee 5, he'd end up dying anyway. But at least he'd been able to take out something.
4, 5, 6. I'll return to your feet. Straighten him.
Yeah.
And his weapon. He's Kensai.
All my stuff, straightened stuff says opposed. So,
Right. Fall back. We'll straighten him. Move him back home.
That's going to be it.
Yep, that's enough. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do 5. Bring that into play. And 4. We'll bring that in play.
Now Frank's in a really tough spot. Chris is going to be able to utilize those attachments just to keep pressing further ahead.
I apologize.
No, you're
I don't want to. I didn't see that.
Right. A lot of people don't, that's why I did it.
People play that card all the time, though.
Yeah?
Like, I mean, for the plus.
Yes. Not for the single melee.
Yeah, it's a really tough spot.
All right, so I'm going to drop down. I don't know how
Frank
I win
has,
this game.
it looks like he's just got strategies in hand.
I will try.
Okay.
And those strategies
I didn't mean to upset you.
No, it's not your
Outside of
fault.
a,
You played a very good card at a great time.
It's going to be
Played very well.
tough for
I
him
was
to
just
deal
caught
with a
off guard.
strategy that's going wide.
I hear you.
I was like, melee 2 from an entirely bowed team? But the card's good enough to play.
Right?
I'm going to drop down.
Okay.
Frank should slow down a little here. Just consider his end step and what he might draw.
Proclaim one of them.
Yep.
Get the Iron Mind.
It looks like he's got. It still looks like he's got 7 gold unbound. So, yeah, he wasn't able to. He didn't have to.
And I had a card that would have
really
not
consider
allowed that to happen.
opportunity cost of leaving all going play in case it was all game. It looks like he's just got 6 strategies.
Well done. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
And all he's got is the 3-1 cavalry. And he does a brew.
3.
He just gets a 40 penalty.
We'll put Razor Fang.
Wow. Razor Fang, for those of you who don't know, 3 gold,
Absolutely.
melee 3, and if you're going second, doesn't even bow for it.
Do you have any opens?
Really efficient attachment there.
Do 2. Do can put in Wakazashi on here. Melee 2.
Yeah, Chris Mo just going wide here. He's going to try and overload Frank.
Unnamed standing fast.
Huh?
Unnamed standing fast.
Yep.
Got it.
We'll declare attack. Everybody's going to go here.
No defense.
There's a great thing about Scorpion Stronghold. Once you've seen a card that can blow you out, you're just able to turn that off for the rest of the game. And a card that can generate a 2-for-1 or 3-for-1 like standing fast. It's one of Frank's few ways to be bad when Christmas is just able to keep jamming the board.
I'll tell you what, we'll just bring slow Chris.
That is a
just
strange
hold that.
way. I mean, at
Can't
this
buy him,
point,
so-
all you want to do is just keep
Draw a card
connecting
in.
board. Frank is down a low amount of provinces, but his personalities are working all fours. So you just need to get as many bodies on the board as possible. Because your actions are balancing people's personalities. They're going to be so much more efficient.
Ready to drop down.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like Frank's just going through again. Not even stopping to represent an attachment. See if Christopher picks up on that. It's difficult to represent an attachment there, but against Scorpion, with the ability
How do you
to
like
name
the
a
coastal
card,
lanes in your deck?
as something being played or
Because I
used.
have cheap guys, I added a
It's
bunch
worth
of
taking a second just to, maybe see if they can outplay themselves just by going
Normally,
to
I would say no way, but because I have so many guys I can just push out, it works.
You're limited.
I will name standing fast.
Oh, that.
Yeah, with my stronghold.
Remove visibility. Remove these three from the game.
No problem.
Invest one, drop one.
Do you have any more open actions?
All right, I have another. I get another action after that.
It's very easy to keep track of this game. Both players announcing their actions very clearly. When you're playing in a grinder for World Championship, it's important to have that level of communication.
BTD him, move that and that, and
Both players
invest.
know where they stand all the time. Chris weighing up his options here.
It's still my action, sorry.
Yep, you get another action. Oh yeah.
And now it's your action.
Now it's my action.
So there is a bit of a monster outside of the force there.
I pass.
The Razor is making that Hito Gucci look really loud though.
I'll pass.
Alrighty. I'll declare an attack.
Figured you were going to.
We're going here.
Frank's going to defend here. You just don't see how he's winning if he doesn't. So Lawerance, we got Christopher Malone on the left-hand side, Frank Scarber on the right-hand side. Christopher is playing Scorpion, Frank is playing Ram. And this is round 5 of the Fri Grinder. The winner of this match is playing the World Championship tomorrow.
Good chance you get a body.
The loser's going to have to try their hand in the fourth grinder. Frank elected to let him go by. I'm not a big fan of that decision, mainly because you know Christopher's going to be jamming 3 bodies. So if you don't defend there, how likely is it that you're going to be able to defend next turn?
We'll do this here. What about him? On him.
Number Tsushima there lines up really well against Frank, seeing as he has no attachments. 3 of his personalities. We know he's got no attachments in that as well.
7, 8. Right. 3, 6, 7, 8. By those
3, 6.
This spot that. Oh, 3, 6, 7, 8.
Yep.
We'll buy these.
All right. They're out there.
At least 2.
Attention Alpha Bar players, Charles Urbach, the artist, will be here for another 30 minutes. He is leaving at 2 p.m., so if you have any cards you would like him to sign, please come up.
Ready to drop.
Great.
There we go. Hopefully that's a little clearer for you now. See who's playing.
Go ahead.
Good.
Have to win this fight.
This is even assuming Christopher has to attack. I mean, if Christopher flips another 3 personalities, he may just elect to pass and just go on the next turn. Attacking here just seems really loose. I mean, just wait next turn because was Frank going to flip in one comments is going to swing things.
Slave hits.
Yep.
Victory through deference. We'll remove Tactician from her.
Yep.
Actually, yeah, we'll remove Tactician from her. Draw a card.
Yep. Dedicated for it.
Got the stronghold. Thing of vengeance on him.
Yep.
Seems like Christmas going for it right now. Just seems overly aggressive in this position. Why not just take the time by 3 personalities, chip it right back?
Math.
Yep.
Nearly 3. Move him back.
So just to clarify, Frank's got 2 -2 force believes. He's got a melee 3.
I'll remove standing fast.
Yep.
Christopher naming standing fast. That was
Giant attack.
Yep. Declare my defense.
Alrighty.
So this is a different unit. You just have 1,000 guys.
Yep, lots of little guys.
Yep.
Engage.
I pass my engage. Actually, it's a melee 4 now, right?
Yep.
Looks like Christopher played the terrain that gives him melee attacks +1 strength. And opposing strikes -1. Frank's just playing that up with terrain of his own. Christopher thinks very carefully about his sequencing here. As is, he has a lot of actions that interact with Frank favourably.
We will.
Whereas Frank's are just far lower impact, and he's far behind the wall as well.
Use
His
his
red cards
ability
here are going to have to do a lot
and
of
bow
work.
him.
Yep, Tashima's going to...
Yeah.
He's going to
He
stop
can't
shouting
straighten
as
as
well.
long as he has a weapon. I'll tell you what we'll do here too is I'll mark that I use his ability.
Sure. Bow that unit. As long as he's there and unbowed, I can't unbow.
Sorry, Christmas got wide there, so we're unable to see what he bowed there. I suspect it was another Tashimo. I think it's the Tashimo from earlier.
Razor Fang, melee 3.
That bows, right?
No.
Right?
Oh yeah.
Passionate
yeah,
Razor
right.
Bang just means it's melee 3.
I was confusing
3
compassion.
gold, 2 fours, melee 3. Just a great effect there. It looks like Christopher forgot to straighten Razor Bang there.
Melee 3 here.
Melee what?
Melee 3 here.
All right.
Attention Doomtown players, we are now taking sign-ups for the 2 p.m. qualifiers. So you are notified it will be starting around 2:30 to 2:45. Please come up with your tickets if you are looking for the second Doomtown qualifier of the day.
Tactician,
Reduces force by 3.
use,
3.
and a few red cards as well. Frank having more cards in hand now, but they are going to have to do a lot more pulling, as Christopher is pretty far ahead of force here. Erazu still hasn't been used as well, so Erazu's off there to the right hand
Reduces
side.
force by 2.
Okay.
Send Gucci home.
Your action.
Reduces force by 2.
So he is 6 force. If I,
4, 5, 6.
So holding cells, huh?
You guys at the end or
At the end, before battle resolution.
Yep. Reduces force by 5.
Yep. Weigh the cap, remove all force penalties on him, straight him, and he gets +2 force. So he's 10 force now. What is the weapon doing?
It's a melee 2.
Melee 2. So if he's going for the melee 2 there, he must have an unholy strength and just want to use it to get rid of something.
Attention, Doomtown players. I need Andrew McCormick to come to the front desk. Andrew McCormick, please come to the front desk.
Looks like Frank's causing Christmas some real problems here. It was just buff force one of those guys is just hyping sticks. The way Christmas was looking at things, looks like he's pretty good.
Tactician for 4.
Tactician.
Christmas last card in the hand is a tactician for 4. So Frank may be able to
4.
just...
Because he got minus 2.
Yep.
So 4, 3, 2,
2, 4, 6, 10, 13, 14, 15.
15 force for Christmas.
You didn't count him?
Nope.
So you didn't count that?
Nope.
So 15. And let me see the card about this guy.
It's him.
Oh, it's him.
So Frank isn't going to be able to straighten him.
If he has a weapon.
Unless
or you
Tsushima's
throw
gone.
The card cannot straighten.
Frank's got 2 cards in hand. Remember, standing fast has been turned off, so
13,
he's going to be able to
15.
get that off. Needs another free force here for the win.
I have 15.
To win this battle at least. Still got a long way to go, so Chris could just jam the ball again. But even if Chris would jam some
Play
balls,
Way of the Crab again.
Frank would still be pretty far ahead. But he'd have to be really careful with his attacks. This is much tighter than Christopher anticipated.
13 to 15.
Got to wonder if, goes on to lose this turn being a really critical part of this.
11, 13. Needed to win that battle.
That's a good one.
I believe I have to concede. I have standing fast, an accessible terrain in my hand, accessible terrain is not going to help me.
That's not going to get it
Good
done.
game, man.
If I win that battle, I think I have a shot.
Christopher
You win
doesn't
that battle,
have.
you win.
I'm not sure. I only have
I
one
could bring some
province.
guys into play, but
Christopher wins the
You'd have to
battle. Doesn't
really
take the
work to get
province,
those
but
provinces.
that's just going to be all she wrote. Christopher being able to buy 3 more personalities, and that's it.
Wish me luck.
you got any other grinder though?
So congratulations, Christopher Moeller. He advances to our main event tomorrow.
What's that?
Frank is going to be playing the 4th qualifiers. Last chance to loot for
I
him.
appreciate that. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Same situation again though. 5 rounds, 3 wins gets you there.
15 to 13.
It was tight.
It looked like it was going to be good.
It was real
So
close.
excuse me
We
for a
won
minute.
by
I'm going to
2
be
scores.
leaving booth. I'm going to get information about the modern. Going to find out who's qualified for the main event from Grinder number 3 as
You
well.
get to play tomorrow.
I do get to play tomorrow,
Maybe
and
we'll
hopefully
get
you
some
do
more
too.
news of other stuff going
hope
on
so
as
as well.
See you in a minute.
I think my deck's good.
I think it is
I
good.
think I made a mistake early on turn 1, and that hurt me really. I didn't discard my Barbarian fast enough. I should have, when I couldn't buy him and he was still there and he was 8 and I saw that I was gold screwed, I should have dumped him.
Yep.
And I didn't, and it hurt me that next turn, and it just hurt me every turn after that.
I hear you. I have that. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just my ego, but sometimes I'm like, there's that guy that I want out, and I'm like, he'll sit in a province, a turn too long, and then it bites.
Well done, sir. To be fair, I've enjoyed all of my games today.
That's awesome. You know, I haven't had a bad experience playing anybody yet today. Everybody's been kind and nice and a good community, you know.
Well, hopefully we'll both see each other tomorrow. Not necessarily across from each other.
Let's hope not. Maybe at finals.
Right. That's okay. Yeah. Do you have sword catchers in there yet?
I did yesterday.
Really?
I revamped the deck.
Well, I mean, you didn't make it in yesterday. You made it in today, so.
Yeah, I went a melee route. I took those out because fear in this is marginal. So I went without the sword catchers. Went with that.
I mean, the fact that one is the terrain is an engage action. I mean, a lot of people don't have engage actions. Essentially, the only engage actions are like naval and cavalry.
Right.
So having an engage action forced me to have a battle action. Then it basically gave you the initiative back.
Right.
Because I needed a battle action.
You didn't want those those melees to go higher.
Right. You don't want and shrink mine. It's not just because if I could have melee 3'd out of that, I'd have been like, I might have. If it was just +1 to yours.
Right.
But -1 to mine, +1 to yours. That's a big difference.
Difficult.
And I had a standing fast in my hand.
I'm glad I remembered to name it.
You know what? Like, what I probably should have done is, one of those turns I didn't do a lot, I should have discarded the standing fast to tactician
The chick.
Yeah, and that way she would have been at 5 for us and you wouldn't have been able to melee through and kill her.
Right.
Yeah.
And I messed up. I could have meleeed your guy earlier before penalties. I should have put him on the other guy and got rid of him altogether.
Oh, shrink him down so the 2s can kill him.
Yes.
And you had lots of 2s.
Yes. I was trying to get the big guy out of there, but you wanted to keep him there.
Yeah, like if I do that, then I end up with 5. If I do that, then I end up with maybe 5 extra force. And maybe I don't end up with 5 extra force, but I end up with like 2 extra force because she's there and then that 3 force guy isn't.
Oops. Right.
But if we're both at 15 force there, I'm pretty happy with letting that battle just go.
Oh yeah. Everybody dies.
Everybody dies.
Yep. I'm all there too. That way we both have to recover.
So when we can start, hey,
You got a first round bye.
You got a first round bye. All right, great.
No, whoever's ticket it was.
Mine.
Yeah. Are you going
You
to?
signed it up under his name though, right?
No, I didn't know that's supposed to.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
signed up. Sorry. You have your ticket?
Yeah, switch it.
They already put in the computer right
no,
now.
they can switch it.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's give it a switch.
Yeah, I'll go.
Sorry. Didn't hear that part.
Just making sure the loser of their match is going to be
Attention Alpha Bar players, for all free current tournaments, you may begin.
We've just got the go signal from the TO. So players just want them back over, so I'll be back on in the next phase.
Absolutely. Not a problem at all.
And a first round bye.
Frank is playing crab.
How much was it?
35.
What's that?
35. That's not a bad
So as you
deal.
can see, we've got round number 5 of the
are
third
you a
grinder.
loyalist?
Both these players are 2-2 right now. So wins one of these players, puts them in the World Championship tomorrow.
Played the game before.
The other means they're either going to have to make the last grinder,
Scorpion Clan.
or they're just going to have to do something else
Imperial.
entirely for the weekend.
Yes. And unfortunately, my first deck was Crane.
Christopher on the left-hand
somebody
side
already grabbed
is
the crab.
playing Scorpion, as you can see by his on counter. Frank, I
And
wasn't able
as
to
soon as
quite
Scorpion's
catch what Frank was
available,
playing.
That's where I
I'm
went.
sure we'll find out soon enough.
Been there ever since.
Yep. Why did I do that? I don't know. How about this? That works better.
May the gold flow
Good
free.
luck to you, sir.
There you go. Ready to
Attention all
start
of our
here.
players, the second grinder of the day, your
Lawerance
parents
stake,
are up.
both good
Please take your
sportsmanship with both
seats. As
players.
soon as they're done, we will be starting all 3 rounds simultaneously.
I guess I'm first, right?
I think you're going. We gotta wait a second.
Okay.
I'll give you my ticket.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I just don't want to go through this again. You want to get?
Attention all of our players, if you are in the second qualifier, table 1 is in fact table 7.
There you go.
Still just waiting for the signal here.
They said they're going to start them all simultaneously. Yeah, that way you get the chance, you know. You want.
Well, I mean, we could like put it up there and be like, all right, well, whoever loses gets to go with the grinder.
No. Like I said,
You're done.
if it's meant to be, if it's not meant that I can play, it's not meant to be.
My deck's getting better. It's a lot better than it was.
Are you dishonored?
No.
Or military? Oh, God bless you. A man after my own heart.
I'm just like,
Mine.
Yeah.
Hey guys, can I just ask, when you do honor changes, just announce them nice and clear. You might have picking up great, so players can hear you clear as day.
beautiful.
Great to hear you guys being so friendly.
Yeah, absolutely. Just let us
Starting the other grinder, how's that work?
They did it yesterday too.
It seems so counterproductive to them making money. Right?
Yeah.
And it really,
If I fail, I would have joined that grinder.
and me as well.
So, and I'm like, yeah.
Both players just
Yeah,
waiting
I
for
don't
the
get it.
signal from the TO to start.
Yeah.
And that blow.
Yes.
After this round, we'll be able to get the names of all the players who qualified via
nasty
grinder
crap.
number 3.
been
We'll
within
also give you an
one
update on the modern as well.
2 honor decks right before.
Just let you know, in case you haven't been keeping track, Mark Armitage moved to 3-0. He defeated Mel Balance.
If I win that,
Mark was able to use Rafikali Mars to take all 4 of Mel's provinces in one turn. Mel is on Breeder, which is a very interesting deck for the format. I hadn't personally played Celestial Edition, just to see a deck that could knock out that many personalities that quickly
Take a first round
was
loss.
frightening.
I don't know if I want to do it. I'd rather walk around.
Okay.
Spend 2 days grinding. It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be.
Okay.
You know. Do you want him to sign you up?
I don't have generics.
No.
And I'll still play because I want to improve my deck, right?
Absolutely.
And so what I'll probably do is like, I don't know if there's any prizes or anything, but if there's not prizes,
There's no prize.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit down with the guy, I'm going to play him right to the end, play him to the edge, and then at the end I'm going to be like, I can see it to you. Right? And he's going to be like, what? I said, I'm already qualified. I ended up in the...
There you go.
Just in case I didn't know. Good, good deal. Right. And make a
Nah,
bunch
we'll
of make a bunch of people's days.
Right?
Right. If I win. If I lose, then I got to try to get them.
Are they now?
I don't know. It looks start. Okay, great.
So Frank's going to take us underway here.
We did.
A couple of
These 2 guys
holdings
are going to
there.
get cycled away, if that's not a problem.
Absolutely.
Really.
Apologies for Blair. There's nothing we can do about that right now. He's got 2 holdings this turn. Going to be able to get another one next turn, leaving the plus 3 there as well.
Oh, this is some Kinsai.
A little bit.
Oh,
A little bit.
at least we get to fight.
Gave you guys the wrong match slip, so you guys are not tardy.